Hey beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So in today's tutorial, I want to discuss bioidentical hormones and my experiences. Now, I just want to do a disclaimer. I am not a professional. I am not a medical doctor. I am just a regular person that was losing their vitality, was going into menopause, and I decided I don't want any of that. So I decided that I was going to check some things out online, and I discovered bioidentical hormones. I read this great book by Suzanne, and it's called Breakthrough 8 Steps to Wellness. Now, you have to do your own investigation on this topic. So you will have to do your own research, go online, talk to doctors. Now you're going to have to seek out a very specific doctor that deals with bioidentical hormones. Not all doctors do. As Suzanne said, there weren't very many people that were dealing with bioidentical hormones. And now there are hundreds of thousands of doctors that do believe in bioidentical hormones and see the benefits. So I noticed one day, and it kind of creeps up on you, I had this hot flash. It was so uncomfortable. I noticed also that I was losing my muscle tone. I love to go to the gym. And I noticed that I wasn't as muscular and as defined as I was before, and it was really hard to build the muscle. I also noticed I didn't have the energy. I also noticed that, well, this is kind of personal, but I was losing my mojo. So my sex drive wasn't as good, and so I decided I'm not going to have that. So I decided that I wanted to do something about it. So I went online, did all the research, and I met this wonderful doctor, and she only does bioidentical hormones, and she was so easy to work with. Now that's what you're going to have to do, is you're going to have to seek out your own doctor that you feel connected to. And so the first few appointments are very expensive. I'm going to not lie about that. And probably the medical system won't support that for you. In Ontario, they don't. And even I have extensive healthcare benefits, and it doesn't cover the doctor's visits. The doctor visits are very important, especially the first, second, and third doctor's visits. And the first appointment was, somewhat pricey, and they just sit you down and talk to you about bioidentical hormones and if this is the right thing for you. And also there's cost related, and so that will also be discussed with you. Then they'll send you away with a requisition form, and you'll go and get your blood tested. You'll see the levels of your hormones, the hormones. And so I want to also let you know that in Ontario, they don't cover the cost of that test, and you'll have to pay for that test yourself. Now, she or he, the doctor, will determine the precise amounts of hormones for you. There is estrogen, progesterone, and there is testosterone. Now, for me, I wanted all three. And the reason why I wanted testosterone was to maintain my muscle mass. And as you can see, I have nice fit arms, and that's probably due to the fact that I have progesterone, estrogen, and testosterone all in me, but in particular the testosterone. So I'm going to actually show it to you, and this is what you get. So I get my estrogen and progesterone and testosterone in a cream form, and I have a very specific pharmacy that creates this for me, and to my specifications. So all that it is cream, and you click it and it'll dispense the exact amount that you should be putting on your body. So in my case, I will put it in the morning and I will put it on my body at night. It's that simple. So it's not a sort of thing that happens overnight. You won't all of a sudden feel great overnight. I want to let you know that you will probably feel great in time, and you're going to start getting your mojo back. I mean, we're talking about your sex drive here, ladies. And as you get older, you know that you're losing your sex drive. You think there's something wrong with you psychologically, but really it's probably just biological. And so if you look into bioavailable hormones, you will know that this will help you with your sex drive. It'll help you get your shiny, gorgeous hair again, and nice, will help with your bones as well, and keeping you nice and strong, and help you with your nails, help you with your memory, help you with your energy, all those wonderful things that we had when we were younger. Well, you can probably get it again. So I just wanted to tell you about this wonderful thing called bioidentical hormones and my experience with it. And I can honestly say it helped me a great deal. And I am in my 50s. And you know, I know it's a crazy number and you get kind of nervous about it, but you know what? We can age gracefully. And again, there's nothing wrong with aging. I'm just not really a fan of surgeries, whether it be on your face, whether it be on your body, any of those sorts of things. I think it's great having bioidentical hormones, and it keeps me young and feeling vibrant and great. And so therefore, I am a big supporter of bioidentical hormones. And I love Suzanne Summers for giving me this information. And she is a great gal. I mean, she looks amazing. I think she's in her 70s now. And I think she has about 25 books out there. The woman still has apparently sex every day. Good for you, girl. And she's doing really well still in her 70s. So look into this, bioidentical hormones, and I thank you so much for listening to my experience, and I wish you well on your journey, and happy Valentine's Day, and give this gift to yourself, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on my next tutorial. Bye for now.